Salut les amis! Welcome to Amouralail show. Today I will show you how to prepare Pommes Duchesse. So, what do we need? We will need salt, pepper, nutmegs, coarse salt, beautiful potatoes that are good for roasting, and egg yolks, and butter that I already have here. You will take one pot, you'll put the coarse salt on the bottom, and we will make bed of salt. Here I have beautiful potatoes that I rinse and dry with paper. So you will place them on the top of the salt. And like this, it goes in oven on 200 degrees. Potatoes are in oven. Now I want to explain you why we are doing it like that. This will take more time than boiling them in hot water, but this is much better because salt will help to take humidity and water out of them, and then the pulp will be less elastic, and that's what we want. So potatoes are out of oven. After 1 hour they are done. So how will you know? They are hot, of course. You take the knife and you place it inside. This is done. Perfect. You can scoop them with a spoon, but I like to take the skin off. They are super hot now. If it's too hot for you, you can take a paper and you can help yourself with the paper, however you like. We have to do that till it's hot. So what I have here, I put on the bottom, I put baking paper. This is fine sieve, or how we call it, tammy, and spatula, plastic spatula. And now I will pass all this potato till it's hot. It's important till it's hot. I will pass it to a sieve. Perfect. Now in one pot, over the low heat, you will dry them even more to remove any water, any humidity that is left inside. It shouldn't be too hot. So you see how it's smooth, the texture, and it's important that nothing sticks to the bottom. So keep the eye on it. Now I will add to that butter that I have in fridge. Here I have 50 grams of butter that I cut in small cubes. And now I will incorporate that with my potatoes. When butter is incorporated with potatoes, off the fire, we will put inside egg yolks. Here I have egg yolks, and you will put one by one. Beautiful, it looks amazing. And now you will season it. Salt, pepper, and here I have nutmeg. I'm a fan of nutmeg, I have to say. We will just put a little bit inside and mix it. Then it goes a little bit on the heat again, just to combine everything together. Here is the mixture. We will need one piping bag and star-shaped tip. With a silicone spatula you will put everything inside. I take everything, you can see. Now it's important to whole mixture, place it to the top and to remove the air. Perfect. That is ready. We don't need this. What we need now? Now we need one tray for oven. Any tray that you have at home will do. Don't bother. If you will put the baking paper, you can put a little bit of oil down. That paper sticks on the bottom. Here I have the magnets, so I will use them. So I will just place them. And now we'll make our Pommes Duchesse. Now when the Pommes Duchesse is in the tray, I have here melted butter, and I will put on the top for this lovely color and flavor, of course. The butter you are putting gently to keep the shape, you don't want to destroy the shape. And now it goes to oven at 200 degrees. So guys, Pommes Duchesse is now out of oven. They have this lovely browny golden color. It smells amazing. On the bottom they're also lovely and browny. You can see them, how they look. My God, they have this lovely light texture, super warm inside, and on the top this buttery flavor, and you can feel the nutmeg. Amazing. Just a top. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now you know how to make Pommes Duchesse. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Merci.